Hi guys, Miss Tinty here. So today you're going to be working a little bit more with your irregular plural nouns. And I know some of you said you were confused or you needed more practice. Today I'm going to assign this practice and we're going to go over it in a week next Monday. So you're going to have this whole week to work on it. It's kind of long, but it will give you a lot of practice that you're going to need. So here we go, irregular plural nouns. As you remember, a plural noun names more than one person, place, or thing. A lot of times we add s to form a plural, but an irregular plural noun has a special way to spell it. So some singular nouns like goose and deer and leaf actually change into some irregular plural nouns. So goose becomes geese, which is funny. It's not gooses. You'd think it would be, but it's not. Goose as plural, one goose, two geese. One deer, two deer, stays the same. And then leaf ends in an F. As you recall from the past, we changed that F to a V and we add ES to make it plural. So for the first part of this assignment, you are going to write an S if the underlined word is singular, meaning one. And you're going to write, I just realized you couldn't see me. And you're going to write a P if the underlined word is plural. So S singular for one and P plural for two or more. So for example, the children had a messy room. Children means more than one. So you would be writing a P for plural here. Aunt Rose would not put a foot into the room. Here's a hint. We know it's one because a is the same thing as one. A foot means 1 foot. So it would be S for singular. Okay? You'll continue to do those on your own. Right here it says to write the plural nouns in each sentence. So read this sentence, and if you see plural noun, you will write it on the line. Let's do number 6. The men on the farm had a problem. Men is 2 or more boys. So men is a plural noun, and you'd write men on the line. Deer were eating vegetables from their fields. Wow, this one is kind of long. Deer is plural. Vegetables is plural. And so is fields. You would write all 3 of those on that line. Excuse me. You're going to continue to write words on these lines as well. Down here, I would like you to try something new. You're going to write some sentences using the plural forms of the noun. So here we have child and tooth. Child is 1 kid, tooth is 1 tooth. How could we write a sentence using that singular noun, child, and the singular noun, tooth, in a sentence with plural? Well, I could say the children brushed their teeth. The children brushed their teeth. That would be a complete sentence that you can write using irregular plural nouns in a complete sentence. The last part I'd like you to do for today is to write about a problem you might have in a forest. Use at least 2 irregular plural nouns. What could go wrong in a forest? I'd like you to write about that. Let's see. Well, you could see a bear. You could get lost. You could run out of food. There's all kinds of problems you could have in the forest. Write a couple of sentences about this problem, and in your writing, use 2 of the irregular plural nouns we've talked about. Good luck!